on instant speaking. So I have request on everyone present here to give me a topic so that I can instantly prepare on it. You can give me 10 seconds, 20 seconds to prepare on the speech I'm going to talk about. So please, any topic?
So anyone, any topic to him. Who wants to give any topic to him?
Based on this program.
Patriots Day.
Anybody give him any topic based on today's theme, Patriots Day.
Patriots Day, right, guys? Now, pleasant morning to everyone present here. Okay, it's a great thing to see all of you ready, excited to see, to give respect, to give gratitude for what the people who have sacrificed for this land have done to us. We are grateful, and let us know what is a patriot. Okay, he's not just a person. He's not great because he's strong. He's not great because he's rich. He is great because he has a heart that never gives up. Because they think that failure means first attempt in learning. It's more like first attempt in growing, first attempt in saving his or her motherland from the hands of these cruel people. Okay, if our patrons, the people, the legend that we admire does not sacrifice for this land, we wouldn't be able to wear these custom clothes. We wouldn't be able to speak our language. We'll lose our dignity. We'll lose everything. They are the ones who sacrifice themselves for this land. They do not sacrifice for greatness, but they sacrifice themselves thinking for us, thinking for the future generations, thinking for what can grow more, for something more better, for tomorrow, which is for us. They are the people who have a great mind, a great vision. They think high, but they still stay low. Okay, like Tanggal General, he is not just a general. He is the person who served for all, who have given his life for all. He did not step back, but he stepped forward. He did not fear, but he conquered fear and gave his life for his land. Thank you all.